how can allow everyone to tag you in their videos on your on TikTok, of course. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open your TikTok. After this, when your TikTok is open, you will go to profile, then on your profile click here on this three line, then go settings and privacy, and then go to privacy and go to mention and tags, and then go tags, and here you will click everyone. So now everyone can tag you in their videos. That's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.